Or you wanted the bad to say, put it on, make them mad today. Say these hoes ain't got nothing on the shit. Super glue make them stay in their place. We gon' rob them, no man, so.
What's up, y'all? Focus on me. Can you focus on me, baby? If you had the kids, that's my life, okay? Get with it. Forget. Cause they gonna be in the background. I'm not gonna keep saying, y'all be quiet. No, I'm not doing it. Welcome to my life, okay? Welcome. Today. Too extra. Calm down. Take it down a few notches. Alright. Today, y'all, we are trying I've been seeing it on TikTok, the Aldi bags, seafood bag thing, boiling the bag thing. I actually saw it on Toya Instagram, and she's from New Orleans, so who knows seafood better than people from New Orleans or Florida or somewhere like that? And I love me a good boil, a little boil in the bag. So I see the rabbits running in my backyard. That's why I keep looking over there. But let's go ahead and see. I ain't even seen what you gotta do. I just bought it and put it in the freezer. I don't even know if it was supposed to go in the freezer. But let's see. Okay, so it's telling me to add 2 quarts of water to my pot. Now, y'all, I don't know what 2 quarts of water is. All I got is a cups measure. So let's Google what's 2 quarts of water in cups. See, I ain't the only one. Other people don't Google this too. 8 cups equal 2 quarts. I know y'all don't got no quarts measure at home either. So 8 cups of water. So let's put 8 cups of water in the pot. Hold on. Okay, so I got my 8 cups of water in my pot, and let's see if it says turn it on high, boiling. Okay, say bring to a boil. So anytime it say bring to a boil, this is what I do. High, cause that's gonna get it to a boil, baby. If they just want you to put it on high, just say that. Boom. Let's bring that to a boil, and I'm gonna be back when it get to boiling. So y'all, this the bag. Like, it got everything you need: shrimp, corn, mussels, potatoes, sausage, and the seasoning. So I hope it's good. I love sweet stuff, so I'm probably gonna add like a little honey in mine, a little lemon, just cause that's what I like. I bought 2 bags. I may have to go get more bags cause it say ready in under 10 minutes, and we love seafood. The only thing it's missing is some crab legs, and you can easily just add that in there. But if it tastes good, girl, we gonna buy her again. Girl, I'm hungry. I think that's boiling enough. I think that's boiling enough. Y'all wanna watch me pour this in here, or yeah, I'll let y'all watch me. I'm a little nervous because what if it splash? It do say pour carefully. Hold on. It smells spicy. Oh, I got a kid crying, so let's do this quick. Okay, 2 seconds.
For this shit, I done cried for this shit. Might take a line for this shit. Put the Bible down and go out for a 9 for this shit. DOT, my enemy, won't catch a vibe for this shit. Ayy, I been stumped out in front of my mama. My daddy commissary made it to commas. Bitch, all my grandma's dead, so ain't nobody praying for me. I'm on your head. Ayy, 30 millions later, know the feds watching. Auntie on my telegram like gosh. Then I don't do it for the gram, I do it for Compton. I'm willing to die for this shit, nigga. I take your fucking life for this shit, nigga. We ain't going back to broke, family selling dope. That's why you many ass rap niggas better know. If I gotta slap a pussy ass nigga, I'ma make it look sexy. If I gotta go.
Can y'all let me scoot on. Okay, y'all. So I'm about to test it. I put a little butter sauce on it. I shouldn't have, so I can taste like what it tastes like. It's good. And the potatoes so soft. is like perfect. Everything perfect. Potato sauce. I did overcook it a little bit because the shrimp is mini, baby. But it's good. Ooh. I should have added a little more like of my butter sauce. It's real good. It's not spicy. I thought it was gonna be spicy. It's not spicy. It's sweet. It's good. I'm gonna keep eating till camera go dead. If y'all ain't already a part of the neighborhood, join the neighborhood. It's free 99. Subscribe. You saw my video? My baby said she saw my video. I know y'all don't want to be a part of the neighborhood watch. So go ahead and subscribe. Girl, it's good. I'm gonna go buy like, I don't remember how much it was, honestly. I didn't look at the price. But I need to see how much it was. But if it was inexpensive, I'm gonna go buy some more bags. Cause it's good. And it's crazy because I went to a further one. A further Aldi, thinking that they was gonna have it. I went to a further Aldi thinking that they was gonna have it, and the one closest to me wasn't gonna have it, and the one further from me didn't have it, and the one closest to me had it. Ooh. It's good, but I do say it's probably one bag per person. This not gonna do.
Say these hoes ain't got nothing on the shit. Super glue make them stay in their place. We gon' rob them, no mask, okay. You too pretty to hide your face. Rent is due and the bills is late. GPS, she gon' find a way. She first lady for sure, we like Tasha and Ghost. I done gave up a lot, I can't let this one go away. She classy in public, but with all the smoke, little shit hit like the ocean. She got you, boy, so don't waste him like a Leah. They rockin' the boat, I get jammed up in court, then she line under oath. Give me this, give me that, tell you what, give you both. Do this girl super bad, I'm a superhero. You know you bad. Yeah, OMG, why you so bad? Yeah, Mint loving you super bad. Ayy, Harley Quinn, you know you bad. Ayy, y'all, 3-0, you know you bad. Bad, B-A-D,